I'm going to show you my vegetarian vegan refrigerator and food cabinet, so you can see out of all the thousands of options we have in grocery stores, actually most of them don't have animal products. You can get most of these products in any major grocery store. Some of them you might have to search a little harder for. happycow.net, again, happycow.net is a great resource. If you type in your zip code, it'll show you vegetarian and vegan friendly places, restaurants near you and such. All you do is type in a zip code. Some of these products are a little harder to find. Like I said, WholeFoodsMarket.com, they have a great array of them, but most grocery stores are increasing their availability of these products. Even Walmart and most larger grocery stores have Morningstar and Boca and soy and rice milk. So we'll start out with the freezer side. Here's some chickens that you can put in stir fries. Again, these products can be a little expensive right now. They are coming down in price as demand goes up. But most culture foods are already inexpensive. You have Italian foods. I use these as a ravioli substitute. It has potato in it. Pasta sauce, very inexpensive. Pizza, very inexpensive. Mexican foods, tamales, vegetarian tamales, very inexpensive. Mexican foods are. Mostly rice, beans, tomatoes, salsa, and a little bit of ground beef. You just buy this in its place. Maybe costs another $1 or $2, and you have a vegetarian meal, which is healthier. It'll save you more money in the long run. This they sell right in the Walmart or Target freezer section. I checked around. I have a few bags of them. I like Hispanic foods, Mexican foods. These I did find at Whole Foods Market. Asian foods are mostly vegetarian too. A lot of pasta, rice, noodles, veggies, with a little bit of meat mixed in, which you substitute. Spring rolls. Let's see what else we got here. A little bit too much baked meats. I like to support them. Boca chicken patties. Boca burgers. Lots of Boca stuff. Morningstar, you can find Boca and Morningstar in just about any store, as I said. Bacon strips. These are not 100% vegan, it was a friend's. Sure, blame it on them. They have chicken strips, steak strips. Making a salad, throw some of them in. Making a burrito or taco, throw some of them in. We have garden burgers, vegan burgers. Garden vegan. More chick patties, chicken nuggets in here. More garden burger products. We have riblets. Put them in stir fry once in a while, or eat them plain on a roll or something. Turkey roast. More riblets back here. It's this Amy's. Amy's makes a lot of good products. You can find them in some national stores or Whole Foods. Enchiladas. I do have a soy cheese I use, or rice cheese. Big bag of veggies. I ate my veggies too. Healthy. They even have vegan shrimp now. WholeFoodsMarket.com. Very good. I actually had these for the first time the other day. Other than a restaurant. Very good. So that's the freezer side. Well, I'll show you some more of the Amy's products. Veggie loaf. Indian. As I said, many culture foods are almost vegetarian. Amy's pizza. You can buy soy cheese pizza too. Or rice cheese pizza if you want to stay away from soy. More Amy's. I bring these to work at the airport for lunch Asian stir fry, as I said. Most culture foods are already vegetarian, so it's not very expensive to substitute out maybe one or two products. It's the cheese and the little bit of the meat that they put in sometimes. More Amy's. So there we have it. There's the freezer, and they have rice and soy milk, or ice cream too. I'm out of that. It's winter in Houston, so don't eat much of that then. Now I'll show you some mock meats. Tofurkey, my favorite. Italian deli. Cranberry stuffing. Tastes pretty good. Even Philly cheesesteak. Right there. Soy slices. Veggie slices. Veggie ground cheese. Tempeh in the back there. Tofurkey, hickory smoked, very good. Vegan cheeses you can use on a pizza or something, grind up. Said a little more expensive, coming down in price, healthier though, save you in healthcare costs long term. Smart Deli, Yites, get pretty good. Sausage style, in a tube. Tofurkey peppered, pretty good. Pepperoni. These are just some of the products. I got some of them just to show you. I don't eat that much of fake meats. See, I have veggies and stuff. I like fruit, even though I eat most of it in the form of juice because I'm away a lot and it would go bad. Taco shells, pasta sauce, all very cheap. My favorite, Italian Tofurkey sausages, very good. Some ask why we eat tons of fake meats. It's not that I don't like the taste of meat, but it's unhealthy, bad for the environment, hurts animals. And we've acquired a taste for it. But also I like to support the industries. A lot of people aren't going to give up meat for pasta, pizza, or veggies all the time. So you need something that will make an easy transition for our acquired taste. Rice milk, very good. And they have ice cream, that's rice cream. See, I even drink V8 to make sure I get enough veggies. So, there you have it. Vegan refrigerator, happycow.net, veganoutreach.org, vegcooking.com. If you want to eat more raw, natural state foods instead of processed, I recommend it. I don't eat all that much as it seems. They last a long time. They don't have expiration dates as early as meat items. They last longer, are healthier. Don't have to worry about it going bad as much. So, veganoutreach.org, vegcooking.com, happycow.net, all good